Hi guys, I'm Miss Shook, and this is the path of blood flow through the heart. So here's a diagram that you have on your notes already. Forgive my artistry, I think it's so bad. So I'm just going to kind of go through the way the blood comes back into the heart from the body, and then we'll fill in the labels as we go. I have blue for deoxygenated blood, so blood without oxygen, and red for oxygenated blood, or blood that has received oxygen from the lungs. So I'm going to start with blue. We're going to start with blood coming all the way back from your body. So from the lower body, it comes through number 8 here, which is the inferior. Inferior is below. Vena cava or vena cava, doesn't matter. Number 7 comes from the top half of your body, so everything above your heart. Blood comes in here, and number 7 is the superior. So you can think of superior as above, inferior below. So this is the vena cava. All that blood comes back from your body and goes right here first. So I'm going to just color it. Number 1 is the right side of your heart. So I'm going to label R for right side of your heart. And that's your right atrium. From there, it travels down from the right atrium into the right ventricle. So I'm just going to shorten this, right ventricle. And when your heart contracts, the right ventricle squeezes and blood flows out from the right ventricle and out through these guys, which split. And these are actually your pulmonary arteries. So I'm going to fill that in here. Later today in your reading, you're going to learn about arteries and veins, but artery away from the heart. So arteries away. So pulmonary arteries, so they split here. One goes to the right lung, one goes to the left lung. So the blood goes out here to the right lung, and the blood goes out here to the left lung. It gets oxygenated there. It removes the carbon dioxide, and we can switch colors. Now we have oxygen-rich blood coming back into the heart. It comes back into the heart through actually 4 different veins, and they're called pulmonary veins. So pulmonary means lungs. Think of it as meaning lungs. A pulmonologist is a doctor that studies the lungs. Okay, we got all this oxygen-rich blood coming back into the heart, and it comes in right here first. Number 3, which is your left atrium. So the atriums are on top. A comes before V. Ventricles are on the bottom. So then from the the left atrium flows down into the number 4 is the left ventricle. When this guy squeezes, it's got to squeeze hard. There's more muscle on the left side of the heart. That's why you can feel your heartbeat on the left side a little bit stronger, because it's got to pump really hard. All that muscle's got to shoot that blood out of the body. And this is actually kind of weird in the diagram, forgive me. But it actually shoots out and it goes behind the heart. This is 2D. This number 6 up here is the biggest artery in your body, biggest blood vessel in your body, and it's called your aorta. So it goes out from the left ventricle, number 4, into the biggest artery in your body, number 6, where it pumps blood all throughout your heart, up to your veins, into the heart itself, and all the muscles and tissues in your body. And so there it is. I know we ended up a little bit messy, but hopefully you can go back through and pause and start where you need to. Thanks, guys.